Today we are planting marsh grass behind a living shoreline project that was a partnership between the South Lafourche Levee District, Shell, and Natrx. The reason we have shoreline protection around our levee system here in South Lafourche Parish is because hurricanes are definitely detrimental to our system, but even a bigger problem on a daily basis is the wave action that erodes away at the toe of our levee. Typically we do that by installing vinyl sheet pile, which is not the most environmentally cooperative product. And so when we were approached by Natrx and Danos and Shell to be able to test out this system with a living shoreline, we were very excited about the opportunity.
Traditional building techniques, oftentimes to protect something like a levee, you're bringing in some external material and you're using that as the primary source of protection. What we've done here is we've taken homegrown materials, so manufactured right here in Louisiana, exoforms produced by Natrx that are designed to protect the levee and provide habitat for fish. So these marsh grasses we're planting are going to help retain the sediment, they're going to help retain the dirt, keep the marsh intact in the case of a big storm.
The exoforms together with the vegetation kind of go hand in hand. The exoforms will attract the microorganisms, oysters, different mollusks, marsh snails, sponges, and everything else that lives underneath the water, but it's also going to support the birds, the wildlife that frequent the area. And then on the inside, the vegetation will also work to increase the biodiversity. Wins for the public with the protection of the levee, but wins for the ecosystem too.
I've been a part of many of these projects now, whether it be living shoreline or reefs. It's amazing when you work with these contractors. I know all the operators and hands tell you how grateful they are because it's such an easy install, but how beneficial it is down the road because all the growth you get behind those structures. It's real special to me because we provide a solution as a company to a client. But more importantly, this is my community, and I kind of take pride in helping in my community, and it just holds a special place in my heart.
Our community is largely dependent on the commercial and recreational fishing industry and has been since people first started settling here in South Lafourche. To have a project that catches all the bases, protecting our levee system and helping the environment is definitely a great project that we're excited to be a part of.